Hi and welcome. I am here today with Xiaomi Poco X3 Pro and I'll be showing you how to get an iOS control center on this phone. First, let's go to the Google Play Store and from there look for control center iOS 14. Install the first application here. Just wait for a short while. Now wait, it has to check for viruses. We are good to go. Tap on open and it's going to load in a second. Now we have to let the application display over the other apps, go to control center and allow display over other apps. Now let's go back. Now swipe right and I'm going to lower the volume because there's going to be advertisement if I remember correctly. Now tap on this button in the bottom right corner. Okay, let's skip it. Excellent. And now it's hard to spot, but there's a little bar on the right side of the screen. Let's try changing its size. Oh, there's another advertisement, of course. Close. Let's change the size. It's more visible than before. Let's try changing the color too. I don't really know. It should be easier to spot for you. Okay. Now we need to simply move our finger from the right side to the left side. We have to give another permission to the application. Okay. Allow modifying system settings. Excellent. And now let's try that again. And as you can see, we get this good looking iOS control center. And that's truly everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye and have a great day.